In today's video, I'll teach you how to log into Zelle app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Zelle application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Zelle application has been opened. Now from here, you'll be able to search for your bank and log in to your account. What you have to do is simply tap on the search bar that you can see on this interface. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the browser. From here, you'll be able to search for the bank. You'll be able to see the banks according to the alphabetical order over here. If you do not see the bank, you can also search for it by simply tapping on the search bar. Here I'm just going to tap on the bank out of this list. So simply tap on the bank of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here this kind of message will pop up. Tap on this option, continue to your bank. Now you'll be redirected to the new page. In this page right over here, you'll be able to find the option for get started. Tap on it. The process for logging in might vary according to the bank that you've selected. Now what you have to do is simply enter your user ID and password over here. Tap on the field of user ID and enter the user ID. After you do that, simply enter the password. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, you'll also be able to find the option for forgot user ID and forgot password over here. Tap on these options and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you might also have to go through the authentication process. After the authentication is completed, you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log into your account. So that is how you log into Zelle app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.